Hey guys, what's up? It is your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I am here with an unboxing of the Sticking to the Plan monthly journal, which is also a planner, and the Stick to the Plan blank line daily journal. So if you remember in a video maybe last week or the week before, I created these books live, these journals live on video via Canva using KDP to print. I ordered both of them so I could do a live unboxing of the journals so you guys can see exactly what it looks like and what it turned out to be. So I'm gonna go ahead and show the blank journal first. Look at how simple I chose to do this design, and also using the watercolor was a good choice. I love this color. It is just beautiful. It's like a mint green mixed with some darker green, and then the title was super simple, Stick to the Plan. Okay, and then I just put daily journal here. I did not put anything on the spine, but I did add this cute little heart on the back of the journal. Okay, so it is a few imperfections, probably due to packaging and shipping, but the journal is pretty thick. I think I did 180 pages.
Hey guys, so I want to interrupt this video and give a shout out to my girl Ryan Michelle from Mommy and Decorate. If you need any type of cleaning, motivation, organizing, and decorating, she is the go-to channel for this. I love watching her DIYs. I also love getting the inspiration for storage and organization. And of course, being a mom, you have to clean all day, every day. So when I don't feel like doing it, I pop on one of her videos and I get the motivation to clean, organize, and just keep my home tidy. So make sure you go subscribe to Ryan Michelle's channel. The link and the channel information will be on the screen in this video.
This is a 6x9. I did cream interior. So all the pages are the exact same. Lots of pages to write on where you can put your date and write your intentions, your goals, your manifestations. It's a nice thick book. It'll probably take a while to get through this one. But that's the plan, to journal daily. Enough pages for more than probably 365 days, depending on how much you write and how often you write. But this came out really good, and I love it. Okay, so I do have a few sticky notes in here, using some of my Manifestos coin sticky notes so I can determine what page what is on. If you guys remember, I did create this like a yearly planner, so but it has like the months in there as well. So this one I just call Sticking to the Plan, a monthly journal. Again, I did not put anything on the spine, and I added that cute little heart on the back. Okay, so I didn't do a cover page in this journal. Most of the time people will do a cover page with the title again by the author, maybe your website. I did not. I'm going to start fresh with a 2020 full year calendar here. Make sure y'all can see that. And then on the back we have a full 2021 calendar here. So because when I recorded this video, I started with August, and we've already gone through September, and here we have October, where you can do your monthly planning, and then you can add notes here. So the boxes are a nice size. This is an 8.5 by 11, and I did October, I think all the way, yes, all the way through October 20, well, I actually went all the way through December, February. Shit, what was I thinking? Hell, I went all the way through June 2022. So I could have this for a very long time. The actual weeks start with December. Again, I was probably rushing. So the week started with December and, oh, December 2020. Yeah, so I went all the way through those dates, most of 2020. Let's see where we are now. We are in October, so we have October here. That I can start off with October. Today is Sunday, October 11th, and then you can go all the way through that. I'm gonna put that there, but this is the weekly. So you can write your little notes. Say I want to write here, record unboxing. So, you know, that's my goal for today, which is Sunday. And where did I go? I went all the way through, yeah, I think I went all the way through June 2022 as well, or 21. Okay, so I went all the way through July, August, and I ended it with August 2021. So again, I can have this for a long time. You can do a full 2 year and do the weekly style. The weekly style gives you an option to have more pages. There's also like the daily ones, I think, on Tangent Templates, where it'll just be a day for each year. I do have a daily planner that is available here. If you guys have not seen it, I do a daily schedule and goal setting, and I'll make sure I leave the link for this as well. But this is my daily planner. This is kind of how I stay a track of my days. So it's called the Daily Planner Journal. And then obviously soon I'll be coming out with a weekly planner, because of course I like to test things out first. So this will eventually go up as a printable first, and then I will put it into a journal. Okay, so again, I always put up the printable for free on my Gumroad, and that's gumroad.com/Cinquanta Cox-Smith. So if you want the daily planner, you can grab that. You can also grab the monthly journal, stick into the plan. I may make a few changes to it, because now that I'm seeing it, I want to make sure all of the dates are right. So I might make some updates to it, but again, it is perfect for you to use up into a year, which is great. And then of course you can grab the journal that goes with it, so you can have like a matching planner and notebook. And if you have this idea to do for your business as well, you should do it. It's an amazing style of things to do. So you could probably do 2 for $25, 2 for $20, 2 for $30, however you decide to do it on your website. But these are available for sale on Amazon. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I hope you enjoyed the video where I taught you how to create the monthly planner and the daily journal. So until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.